but also for those who are landed as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle version. So here's a lot of words to show us the proper waste disposal.
Ready ba? Tatapon sila ng basura yung mga bird. Tatapon ng basura yung mga bird sa basurahan. Tingnan mo yung bird. Marunong yung bird magtapon ng basura. Oh, mga kalat, marunong sila magligpit. Ikaw, marunong ka? Runong sila, runong.
Are the birds yet at large? Well, they are only no matter how small the effort, let's take action to save them from exploitation or even extinction. Please let all your part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home with God. Now let me present the birds and players that made the show possible. Player first, Queen Dazzle. Player Tina, Queen Sassy. Player Mark, Queen Bunny. Player Rock, Queen Rock. Player Vance, Queen